What's up, everybody? We're going for the second modification right now, which is pretty much tints. We're getting tints right now. So I gotta jump off the car, and I'm definitely gonna go with 20% this time. Last time was 35 in the front, but the front driver and passenger. So I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with 20% high performance tints. So we'll see how that turns out. Make it a little darker. Can't wait. No more fishbowl rides. So I can't wait to see when it's completed. Super excited for that. And yeah, that's that, guys. Stay tuned and let's see how it turns out. So it's gonna be a different feeling once the tints are on. So let's see. This is how it looks right now. So look at that. You can literally see everything inside. Then all right, fam, finally the tints are on. This is looking super amazing right now. So the front, I know you guys are gonna be asking right now, what'd you get on the front? What'd you get on the front? Don't worry about that. I got 35% on the front. Ceramic tints, of course, the best. 3M ceramic are great. Lifetime warranty on this baby too. So got 35 on the front, 20s on the side. It's perfect because it's dark from the outside, but from the inside you could see from the inside, when you're sitting inside and you look outside, you see a lot more clear, which is best. Inside you can't really tell. Look at that. From the outside you can't even see inside. Check this out. Whew. That's great. 20% is the way to go. If you do 5s, it's gonna be super dark, and then you're gonna have issues at night for sure. But yep, this looks super amazing right now, guys. This is sexy. It's a blessing right there. This is done. Look at that. This side you can't see inside, but this is 35 right here. This is 35. You can see inside because of the daylight right now. And also the top is some 5% sun strip, but you see some water over there, some bubbles, because it just got done. So give it about 2-3 days to kind of disappear. You guys know the process. And yeah, that's that. And we'll go inside right now, and I'll show you guys how you could see on the outside from inside. Sweet deal. Stay tuned and keep watching. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. From the inside you can see really nice outside. But from the outside it's dark. You can't really tell if someone's in there or not. So that's the best part about ceramic 3M tints. I really like it. My favorite. Lifetime warranty too, so I'm definitely gonna keep these. And the sides are 20, as you can see, a little bit darker, but look how nice you can see even though the sun is already set. See that? You can still see the sun's just setting. About 5 minutes ago the sun set. So that's how you can see on the outside. From the side, from 20% and the 35, you see a little bit more view. And of course I got my headlights on too, but that's the visibility right there. And that's 35% from the inside. That's 5%. This is what 5% would look like. This is 5%. If you get 5%, that's 5% right there. So I'm telling you guys, 35% is a sweet spot. If you do 50, it's gonna be too light. It's a waste of money. That's in my opinion. It's a waste of money. It's very light. 5%. 35. But from the outside, you guys saw before, it's pretty dark from the outside, which is great. So that's this, man. Appreciate the support. I hope this video was helpful for those who are trying to get tints. And what brand? Just get 3M ceramic tints. You will be happy. Make sure it comes with warranty and stuff like that, because if it's bubbling or peeling off, guess what? They'll redo it for you. So that's that, and that's it. So see you until next time. Peace out.